Senior cop collapses following conviction on wounding and misconduct charges.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Senior Superintendent of Police Anthony Castell collapsed in the St. James Parish Court on Friday, November 23rd, after he was found guilty for the shooting of a pregnant woman in 2016. She was shot in her back as she sat in a taxi that was fired on by police during a chase through the streets of Montego Bay. The man dropped like a shot them shot him when him hear guilty, said a police officer who watched as the drama unfolded before presiding magistrate Natalie Hart-Hines. I believe it was a heart attack or something. Castell was found guilty for unlawful wounding and misconduct in a public office arising from the January 22, 2016 incident, in which 19-year-old Janice Hines, who was in the first trimester of her pregnancy, was shot and injured. District Constable Rohan McIntosh, who was implicated in the incident and was also arrested and charged, was released 2 weeks ago on November the 9th, following a successful no-case submission on his behalf in the same court. In responding to the verdict, Errol Chatu, Director of Complaints at the Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom, Western Regional Office in Montego Bay, said that Mr. Castell was found guilty on both counts of unlawful wounding and misconduct in a public office. December 14 is the date that is set for sentencing, but it may depend on his recovery. News of Castell's guilty verdict, collapse and hospitalization spread like wildfire through the streets of Montego Bay on Friday. Residents expressed mixed views. I am so sorry for him. He is a very nice man, but by the look of things, he seemed to have made a terrible mistake. I hope the judge will not be too hard on him, said a businesswoman. Hines, who family members had feared would have lost her baby because of internal damage caused by the bullet, has since delivered a healthy baby and has made a full recovery.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.